One thing else, if you want to do with the alligator, you want to inject it, which I did not do because I couldn't find any injection, but I did spray it down quite a bit. I hope y'all enjoy it, and where's my boy? Come on, my friend. All right, I want you to grab the tail. Make sure nothing drops. You got the pictures, Dan? You got it? All right, you're backing. Excuse me, right this way. And Ash, I want you to swing around towards me. Swing this way. Yeah.
Okay, let's get it out of its metal wrap. Bacon's coming out.
That's fine. You're right, bacon. Oh, and this bacon's edible if you'd rather have that. You got that pumpkin in there? Hold on, maybe set over a little more. Let's bring it a little forward. Okay. That works. That's fine. All right, go turn your slope on. Go turn your slope on. It's on. Yeah, I see it's still coming up. So you pull some of this bacon off, whatever you want to. Smoke's not coming up. Yeah.
The alligator is